We are done potting the Z plants. Now we just wait for it to grow out more leaves, and we take another examination on it as well, do propagation of that plant. Next, we're gonna take this plant out, Neon Love, and repot it. Hello you guys, this Monstera Deliciosa variegata that we are going to work it on it today. For this job, we're gonna use number 5 gallon pot. Very difficult to open it up this way when you stack it up the pot like this, so best to let it go upside down like that. You gotta hold your legs at the bottom, secure at the bottom, and you're gonna put your hand up like this, pull it upward. You gotta pull it upward like this. See, coming out. Right, now we're gonna make this hole smaller. If you leave the hole big like this, when we fill raw media in, it will pull it out from the big hole. So we need to make it smaller. You can line 3 boxes like this, not completely fill up the hole. All right, just make the hole smaller. I would do a second example. Maybe this is a coffee filter. You can make it out, yeah, like that. Okay, without the box, you can do like this, like that. Okay. If you like, basically like a layer per line at the bottom. You can use smaller perlite as you like. Since I have a big one, I use big one. But you can use smaller one, right? It separates the soil line to the bottom of the pot. I use saucer underneath. Whenever I water it, the water will drain it out, and then whenever the plant needs it, it soak it back up. So this is why I do this layer. Connect between the perlite with water, and it helps soak up the water, connect to the grown media, but not the grown media sit on the water, because that will create a drought. So it's better to layer in maybe ½ inch or 1 inch of perlite first. We need to secure the back air layer into the pot first, so when we move around it doesn't add pressure into the middle section. I got to secure the stem down as well to secure the sign. This thing doesn't move, because if this move, it will add pressure to the roots here. So it needs to be solid, stay still as possible. Loose this alien back as well, all together, so it doesn't move. Gotta secure the top row with another stake, and then we're gonna secure all the back together. When we move, it doesn't move. It should be all in one. Now we're gonna move it back in and do some more adjustment if we need it.